I have the tailgate down, so it's gonna be this. Hold on. I threw Ryder in the back, so just a second. We're just driving down to the shop. It's one of my favorite days. I get to actually go to school today and be a part of their career fair. So we're gonna go load Teddy, and Carol bagged me up, caged me up some chickens last night, and I gotta grab some eggs. So we're headed to career day at the elementary. I love these days. These always make my day. Like, it always stresses me out, but I love going and sharing. So stick tight. That's so pretty outside. Love this morning view. Ryder's like squished all up in here. I know, Mom's got her seat all full, doesn't she? You can ride home with Jason though if you want to. He's bringing the tractor. Boo, did you get to come to school again? Teddy got to come to school today. And some chickens. And Leo got to come. So it's career day at our local elementary. And guess what we are? The farmers. Hi, Leo. What? What? Are you excited to be at career day?
Yes.
Yes.
Brought my toy along.
Brought your toy and Teddy.
You should have brought the little toy.
What?
You should have brought the little toy.
Well, I thought it was gonna rain.
Then we could have little toy and big toy.
Yeah. Just act normal. Are you girls having fun today? Yeah. She's in your cheer thing? Okay. Well, then that's okay then. Got it. Yeah. I think Ryder's tired. Jason. It's mixing day. We actually had the loader on the 5S yesterday. We were playing around with it, so we thought we would load today with it. Look at this, it's mud. It's mud, boo. actually had to go home and get like my big coat and a hoodie. It's dropped temp-wise like several degrees. I brought Leo home because I didn't go back to the farm earlier. So actually I have like a barn full of ponies. I'll take the girls and Leo to the farm tomorrow, but I know the last couple videos and really the last couple weeks have been kind of chaotic and sporadic with the videoing, and I'm not really sorry, but in a way I really am sorry because I know it's not like me. I needed a break in general after hay season. I had some health stuff going on and doctor's appointments and meeting with different doctors and trying to get everything lined out so that I could have surgery. We thought we were going to do it in November, but just due to some things, we are actually probably going to push it back to January, which means I'm probably not going to be doing a whole lot of videoing after the first part of the year. So, with that being said, just one day at a time, because that's all you can do. I am very thankful for each of you guys. I am thankful for the job that I have and the flexibility that I have, that I can be off for 6 to 8 weeks and recoup the way that I need to. It's going to be hard to keep me in the house, but I think if it's cold and nasty and snowing, I might be a little bit more inclined to like actually rest. And it's tax season during that time, so I can get some paperwork done and catch up on stuff and just do all the things that I tend to put off. But I absolutely love going to the school. Like that's seriously one of my favorite things, and I've been trying to figure out how to piece together some sort of farming thing for my kids. Not my kids, but like the kids in the area. I just haven't quite got it all figured out. Turn the hose off here. It's actually kind of muddy these days around here. Look at this. It's wet. There's mud. What is that? Jason's loading a load of hay for the in the morning. Come on and check on him. And then I think I'm gonna go home and call it a night. I was just coming to see if you needed any help.
Get in or back up.
I can do that.
This is what we do a lot of, isn't it, Cassie? Just resting. And the farm kitty that I rescued.
Good morning. Happy Saturday. It's the last Saturday of October. It's hard to believe. It's 37 degrees this morning. I'm gonna go over and check cows and do chores real quick and then head on home. Jalen's not feeling the best this morning, so I'm gonna get back and just do some stuff at home. I need to play catch up and just do things at the house, and it's the perfect time. Not that I like her being sick, obviously, but being forced to stay home helps both of us. Keaton has gone to his dad's this weekend. Jason was delivering early this morning. He rolled out, 5:30. I was still sleeping, thankfully. I needed that. Let's see. There's not a whole lot happening other than just delivering hay this week. Playing catch up. Just doing the normal day-to-day stuff. Feeding calves, feeding horses. Just, the everyday life. So not a whole lot of content, really. We went to school yesterday, and that just warms my heart so much. Those are my favorite kind of days. I think I talked about that a little bit earlier yesterday in the video. So, yeah, that's about it. Nothing exciting going on, guys. We hauled the horses around so I wouldn't have so much to do at the shop. Hi, Storm. You look so big out there today. I didn't bring no snacks. I'll feed you guys later. He knows that the truck brings food. Yes. The things you do for your wife, huh?
Ew.
This is what winter projects consist of, huh?
Came right up.
Oh, I did?
I just gotta figure out how to apply it. Got it in my hand.
I'm not very good at doing things by touch, not being able to see what I'm doing. Anyway, you guys want to know what Jason does on his off season of not fixing things for me?
Look.
What?
So if you see how this notch here is not lined up with that arrow?
Yeah.
Here's the new one.
So we're going to get it fixed.
See?
Yep. So you didn't have to take the whole dash apart.
No.
You
Just gotta stick your hand through that hole. Now we gotta get this line back up. This just goes sit right down in there and get everything back up.
So Jason found a YouTube video to do all this. To fix the heat. Hopefully, because it's been a little chilly the last few days.
That's the rotor. Has to be. So I gotta set that in first, I guess.
Just for the record, we are not professional mechanics. I'm not at anything. But generally, Jason can fix just about anything most days.
Gotta stick this back in first.
Okay. Woo! Come on, Rox. Come on, girls. Take them through, Luce. Quit. No,